This is a review of the SIG 552 Commando. This gun is about 455 FPS, power range up to 60 yards, magazine can hold 300 BBs, the length is 20 by 7 inches, and the shooting system is spin up, so you spin the bottom and it loads the BBs in. And right here, if you can see, the clip has these things so you can attach another clip to it, and you can hold like 3 on your gun. So that's the box. Here's the gun. It is pretty good. It's extremely accurate, really powerful. 445, I'd say about 430, probably more accurate. It has a rubber butt stock, and there's a button right here, and if you click that, the clip or the stock folds back, and then it just locks into place back here, and then it's that. It's fully automatic or semi. This doesn't do anything. This is just for hop up. The sight is a normal sight. Just that, match it up, and it's pretty accurate. It came with an unjammer, 100 BBs, and a strap. Here is the semi-automatic or automatic. Straps in the way. You can change it. The battery comes out really weird for some reason. I don't know why they'd make it like this. I couldn't figure it out for a while until I actually read the instructions. So here's the clip. The clip just comes out normal. This thing right here, press it in. But the battery's really weird. You have to have the stock out all the way, which it just pulls out and then snaps into place here. And what you have to do is over here on the side of the gun, there's this little pin, and you have to pull it out. You have to pull this pin out. Okay, set it down. Then you have to take this part right here, this bottom black part, pull it back till it kind of snaps, and then this part should just come right off, and the battery goes right in there. And then to put it back on, you just put it on, and then you move the black thing back up and put this thing, this little pin, back in. And if you push it up forward enough, then the pin goes in easily, and then it's like that. And the clip is just a standard clip on most automatic guns. Push this right here, open it up, fill there with BBs, then you roll the bottom, and that automatically loads it. So that is the SIG 552 Commando, and here's a firing review. Okay, today I'm going to be using the SIG 552 Commando. I'm going to be doing a firing review. I just reviewed it, now you're going to see how it fires. First I'm going to do semi-automatic and fully automatic. I'm going to be pretty far away, about 100 yards. So, and then I'll turn the camera towards me and then turn it towards you so you can see how far I am, and hopefully you'll be able to hear the hits. I'll yell if I hit it or not. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but we'll try it. So I'll show you where I'm going. I'm going way over here. Alright, now I'm going to show you where I'm going to be firing. Neighbor's gas tank. Hopefully you'll be able to hear it. I'll put you a little closer. 1 second. Alright, now I hope you'll be able to see this. You probably will. Here it is. As you can see, I don't think I missed one BB. This is a great gun.